All right, I'm going to go over how to install or set up your Submit a video page. So if you imported the demo data, it's already set up for you. I'll go into this more detail, but I wanted to start off the bat with how to add this to a page. So let's go ahead and go to our dashboard and we'll add a new page. We'll call this Submit a Video Example Page or Example. And we can publish it. And to create the form, all you do is type in a short code. And to get that short code simple, just go under your documentation under Submit a Video and copy that short code. You can do one, you can actually copy and paste it directly into a page. I recommend clicking this text tab if you want to do that. And if you paste that in there, and then let's view this page in a new tab. It will generate the form for you as well, but what a little bit more control over the width of it if you edit this with the page builder. And if you edit this with the page builder, let me start this over so you can see how it works. So if you have a fresh page, you can just add a new section, choose one column, and you're going to look for the shortcode page builder element right here. And if that's where you can paste in your shortcode as well. That's the wrong shortcode. Grab it again. There we go. So that is going to be if you want to add it in via shortcode like so. And then if you view the page, you'll see your form has been built. So really easy to generate the form. I'm also going to go over how to set up those login pages and if you want to edit some of this text. So let's start off with how to edit this form. To edit your form, just go to your dashboard and go under custom fields. Just close that box. So under custom fields, you can click on this sync available. And there's only one to choose from, so it's pretty easy. If you click sync, what this does is it now under field groups, you'll see this form, and that is the form that you'll want to edit. And you can do things like edit the text. So edit post title text, for instance, and do even more things. You can get, add a lot more fields and whatnot. But the most common thing is people like to edit the text. So to do that, it's pretty simple. You just edit the field. When you're done editing, click publish. And now when you go back to that submit video form, you can see the text is changed. So it's pretty easy to change the text in various areas. And if you want to, if you're a developer, something like that, you can actually add more fields and, do all that within that same thing. So you have a lot of control over the form, but that's pretty easy. Just under custom fields, just sync it. And then you'll be able to override it. Now, the last thing to go over is the login pages. And to set those up is under this TML, and that's called Theme My Login. And you have a bunch of options right here. I think in the live preview we are using the custom passwords, redirection, and what is the last one? And then actually I think we're using themed profiles. But you can actually select all of them or whichever ones you feel that you want to set up. If you click Save Changes, it'll give you some directions for how these sections are handled. But if you select those few modules, basically what that's going to do is allow you to have in the live preview, if you try and submit a form, it's going to allow you to do that. Or this is what the login page will then look like. So that's going to cover that. The last thing to cover is you'll notice that by default registration isn't turned on. So to turn that on is really simple. It's just going to be under settings and general. Select anyone can register, and then that'll allow users to register for this site.